This light is good, and we put it on sharp 7 o'clock. It come on 6 o'clock. It go off. Normally, there is no complaint on this light, and the people within the community they are enjoying this facility. Very happy because the place was in darkness, and at this time we enjoy this facility from the collaboration of the people. As you see now, people come and gather to sit under light because life is part of life too. So the people gather here to enjoy the facility. Some people come study, students come and study. You know, the children sometimes see them study under the light. So at that time, they will use torchlight, but now they can sit under the light to study. All of these things that are going on here. So I mean, normally it's going on fine. Everybody is happy of the program. Because of the darkness, students will not sit here. But the facility that we got now from this light, you can even hear a study bench, in fact, they carry some. They sit here, they study. You know, it's providing life. In fact, you see the community were dark, even the business area were dark. So sometimes we'll be afraid to come outside, but now any criminal come, we will see them. Anybody appear, we will see them. So I think we are very happy. We are very happy. Well, I will tell the ministry thank you and for what development they are bringing to our facility they are giving us. The empowerment is very good, and I believe that it's improving our lives, and we will work with them simultaneously as they continue with us. And also, our request, the road condition within our business is problem here. I think the road on the road, you saw it. The road condition, but the environment here is not easy for us. That's the only target we got now, for now. Yeah. It's okay. I tell you, thank you. Let God be with them.